So this is a replica of the geometrical card series which are available in the environment. There are three series of cards. The first series of cards will all be in solid shapes. Okay. The second series will have a thick outline. And the third series will have thin outlines. A total of 7 sets of cards in each series will be there in the kit. The 7 sets are, this is one, that is the primary or basic shapes. These three form together one set. The second set, all are triangles. The third set, all are rectangles. The fourth set, all are circles. The fifth set, all of them are polygons. The sixth set, all of them are quadrilaterals. That means all the shapes will have 4 sides. Polygons mean they will have more than 4 sides. And the seventh set comprises of curvilinear figures. Okay? So a total of 7 sets and 3 series each will be there in the kit. Each set has to be done separately. Please do not take out all the cards, spread them and do a matching activity to start with. That can be done in the end. That is after the child has had immense experience working with these cards, then that can be done. So first of all, in a particular set, I've chosen the basic shapes set. We have the 3 series here. Let the child choose any 2 series to work with. Okay. So one can be the solids. Now when I say solid, that doesn't mean that these are geometrical solids. Solid color, fully. The entire shape is filled with color. That is known as solids. Okay. So I'm taking the solids and the thick outline series. These are the 2 series I'm going to work with. The set is basic shapes. We are going to do a pairing activity. So first, take out all the cards. Keep them mixed up. Isolate a particular card and find its pair. So these 2 are pairs. This is the first basic and simple activity.